Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, voice activated navigation system, rear view camera. Come take a test drive today.